the chairman of the FDB board, Mr. Bob Lyon, board members and management of FDB, the Commissioner Northern and staff, permanent secretary, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Vuniwaqa, and a very good evening to you all. It's a pleasure for me to be with you here today and with the Fiji Development Bank family of the Northern Division clients and management to celebrate the enormous good that the bank's work has achieved for hundreds of thousands of Fijians. This was also complemented by our Honorable Prime Minister when he launched the bank's 50th anniversary celebrations in July. At the launch, the Honorable Prime Minister unveiled FDB's Golden Jubilee Anniversary theme, Development for Fijians Across Generations. Indeed, ladies and gentlemen, the bank has significantly contributed to the development of Fijians and our economy since its establishment in 1967. I reiterate the words of the Honorable Prime Minister and acknowledge FDB's efforts in emerging as a contributor to the Fijian government's vision for development, uplifting Fijian businesses by giving a leg up to our entrepreneurs at the grassroots level. As we launch this 50th anniversary special promotion this evening, I'm proud to note that FDB continues to strengthen its mandate of providing financing that contributes to the development of the economy. This will in turn enhance the quality of life for more Fijians. I'm told that of September the 1st, for a 6-month period, all application fees for loans under $20,000 will be waived, along with the establishment fees for all loans up to $5,000. This promotion, as the board chairman had mentioned in his address, is initiated to encourage Fijians, especially in the small and medium enterprise and agricultural sectors, to access financing for developing their businesses and capacity in sustaining their businesses. Thank you for this initiative, FDB, and I'm sure that you will continue to enhance your sterling record of financial inclusion initiatives as such to continue on this path to development. And in particular, I'd like to challenge the FDB board to encourage women entrepreneurs and women wishing to start up their own businesses to access financial assistance through the bank. To be truly inclusive, we need to actively seek for female participation in business. We need to assess applications through gendered lenses and get rid of gender stereotyping from our work processes. We must not limit the diverse capacities of women, but must instead encourage them to branch out into the world of business and income generation. We must help them realize the dollar value of their creations. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm saying this because the women of this country have convinced me that they have the capacity, the commitment, and the drive to contribute their half of economic development. They've convinced me that if they are given access to financial services, they're able to establish lucrative SMEs as a means to support their families and the communities that they live in. The evidence I have is that of a group of women who were able, within 3 days, to sell the creations that they've made in the comforts of their own homes to a tune of almost $500,000. $500,000 that's been injected back into our own economy. Ladies and gentlemen, the Northern Division has been enjoying government subsidy administered by FDB, and we continue to experience growth in all sectors, in particular the agricultural sector, as new farmers now have access to finance needed to buy farmlands through the scheme. Through this special promotion, running until March 2018, I urge you all to take advantage of the financial accessibility that FDB is providing in terms of starting up businesses or expanding existing ones. Ladies and gentlemen, the Fijian government will continue to provide you with incentives and opportunities to grow, but the onus is on you to make that first move. And what better time to start than now, when there are few waivers for loans. Ladies and gentlemen, before I close, I'd like to encourage us, particularly the members of the FDB board. There will be a march in Suva for male advocacy for gender equality. I invite you all, Mr. Lyon and your board members, to join the ministry and other executives of businesses in Suva and around Fiji to join us on this march on the 30th of this month to advocate for gender equality and the empowerment of women in Fiji. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Madam Minister. Launch of our promotional video. Whenever you're ready, sir.
A 50th anniversary deal for you with our no-frills loans. This means no fees for all loan applications from up to $19,990.